Once the epoxy is hardened, I can trim away the excess. And I don't know why this is so satisfying, but it really is. In my opinion, a razor blade is one of the most useful tools you can have. Next, I apply some glass strips to the bow and stern for added protection. This is a good way to get epoxy all over your camera stuff. I cut these strips from the same cloth that I used to glass the hull, and I cut them at a 45-degree angle to the weave to help the glass bend nicely around the sharp curves of the bow and stern. I decided against using my fiberglass tape because I am not a fan of the thick braided edge. I think it makes the strip stand out too much. I know the frayed edges are standing out right now, but I'll be able to file those down and get a nice blended edge when it's all said and done. Okay, now I can put away the hull for a little while, and we can get started on the deck. Don't be afraid to smash your boat up a bit while building it. It adds character. After all, it's going to help it prepare for things like rocky beaches and oyster beds and all the other things it's going to run into. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up here. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. It means a lot. I'll see you on the next one.